if I remember correctly, are ex-Illinois Central Caboose. Alright guys, we got maintenance of way train right here.
Fell upon the ears of the 20 or so brave,
led by BNSF 4648. This is the same manifest you saw earlier on the other side. If I put these as the same video.
Oh, I'm just FaceTiming it.
I can't ever say I've seen a work train before. Usually, if I see work equipment, it's just put on a manifest. But this was pretty cool to see, my first actual work train. There will also be a part 2 to Railfanning in Memphis, but it will not be labeled as part 2. And if you're wondering why I muted this, it's because there was too much background noise. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and consider checking out my other videos. Goodbye.